A gCADPlus user based in Holland is having some difficulty with this drawing. If she goes to the blocks option, and let's start at the top, and as I move through the blocks that are associated with this drawing, notice that we get to a block which appears empty. If I move down further through the blocks, here are other Aquilegia and Aronchus. So when you are working through that blocks list, and remember if we come to Aquilegia, it appears to be empty, do pay attention to this zone in here. This tells us that there is one instance of a symbol representing Aquilegia. Within it, there are 108 objects or entities within it. So clearly the block's not empty. There is some other problem that's causing difficulty. So let's close. My guess would be that it's a layer problem. And if we go to layers, it's worth knowing that you have two options here. If you pick all and right click, you can say I'll turn the visibility of all layers on, but in this case it's more useful to say click on the all use layers and say turn the visibility of those such that they're all on, and then come back to that blocks command, and we'll just scroll down through here again. It was at this Aquilegia, and can you see now that the blocks all show correctly? So it's to do with layers. Now, what we now need to do is find out which layer inside the block is a problem. So let's pause. I'll return to the original layer state where we had a situation where these blocks appeared empty, and let's return to Aquilegia. And what we'll now do is edit that block, and you can see it does appear empty, and we can start turning layers on and off. I'm fairly certain that we can leave the construction layer. So, here we are. We have a plant drawing where the plant symbol layer is off, and I've remembering that when you make symbols, you usually put the elements of the complex symbol on a layer called L-PLNT-SYMBOL, and we turn it back on, and I had hoped that would have solved the problem. Let's close the block editor there and come down to Aquilegia. So that is our problem. It wasn't anything to do with the block. It was just that in the drawing, when I opened it up, the layer called L-PLNT-SYMBOL was in fact turned off. So that's a simple solution to the problem.